friends. Today, we'll take you inside the creation of a futuristic stealth private jet.
The computational fluid dynamics show a slight drag increase at Mach 2.
We need to smooth the leading edge to compensate.
The vortex formation near the intake shows the drag is still too high.
If we adjust the leading edge sweep in ANSYS, we might reduce that pressure spike.
Look at this pressure differential right here. It's causing unnecessary drag.
I see it. Rerouting the flow stream stabilizes the entire geometry.
Automated machines cut carbon fiber sheets with extreme precision.
Check the fiber alignment on section 3.
Looks nominal from here. Optimize the feed rate.
American technicians lay composite fibers into wing molds using robotic arms. Autoclave chamber cures stealth composite components under high pressure.
Status check, section 5, clear the mold.
Roger that, moving to assembly bay.
Alignment is green on my side.
Confirmed. Proceed with securing the joint.
Scan complete. The alignment is flawless.
Data confirms 0 deviation at the junction.
Stealth surface panels attached with near-invisible panner gaps. Radar-absorbing layers applied carefully across the airframe.
Engine components tested for low noise and infrared reduction.
S-shaped air intake system fitted to block radar visibility.
We need to monitor the pressure at this joint during the sequence.
Okay, initiating the micro retraction sequence now.
Landing gear doors designed flush with the jet's body.
Fly-by-wire control systems installed inside the cockpit.
Advanced avionics wiring routed through shielded channels.
Alignment looks good on sector 4.
Applying final torque sequence. We have a green light.
Hydraulic systems for flaps and rudders are assembled and pressure tested inside the factory.
Stealth navigation radar and terrain avoidance sensors mounted.
Fuel tanks installed with explosion suppression technology. Thermal management and cooling systems integrated into the jet.
Final interior inspection ensures luxury and stealth harmony.
Exterior surface sanding prepares the jet for stealth coating.
Primer layer applied smoothly across the airframe.
Multiple layers of radar-absorbing stealth paint applied.
Infrared dampening matte finish completes the exterior.
Ground-based structural stress tests conducted. Avionics systems powered on for diagnostics.
We've reached the critical threshold, holding steady at 500 psi.
Acknowledged. The thermal readings are well within tolerance.
Good. Let's maintain for 60 seconds.
Low-speed taxi test confirms steering precision.
High-speed runway acceleration test begins.
The stealth jet prepares for its first flight.
Smooth banking maneuver shows advanced aerodynamics.
The jet lands successfully after test flight.
We have an anomaly at waypoint 4. Check the fuel pressure.
Pressure's dropping. Rerouting trajectory now. Looks stable.
Final quality certification inspection takes place.
I must say, the craftsmanship exceeds the projections.
We are very impressed with the final build.
The futuristic stealth private jet soars above the clouds at high altitude, its angular design slicing cleanly through the sky.
Simulated weapons system deployment sequence runs mid-air, shown as a clean mechanical test without firing. The jet releases an inert test payload over an empty test range, demonstrating precision delivery capability.